This is actually where we live, Freiluftatelier. It's the open air studio. It's like vacation, only better. Okay, I will tell you more about it in February. And this is how we live, perfectly imperfect, because we're humans, and humans can never be perfect. So the only way to go around is to get perfectly imperfect, right? And this down here is very important. This is what humans need, right? It's autonomy, it's relaxation, it's development, it's connectedness, it's nourishment, creativity, identity, empathy, and security. And of course, don't forget about it, love.